Hello, this is Color Echo. Today I'm going to teach you how to create raised textures on a canvas and paint in relief. I mix a little PVA glue with water and stir it well until it becomes thin. Now I pour some whiting powder into a container, gradually add the diluted PVA glue and mix it well until it forms a paste with this level of stiffness. Now I use this homemade paste to create raised textures on my paintings on canvas. I place this homemade paste on the canvas, and when it dries, I paint over it.